Want to learn Urdu? Subscribe to my channel to get the daily dose of a Urdu lesson. So let's get started.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're fine and having a good day. So today we're going to start our lesson number 19, which is a very fun lesson. I'm going to tell you in this lesson how to make sentence in Urdu. So making sentence in Urdu is very simple and we're going to take it by step. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So, in Urdu, there are three types of sentence. The first one is Fele Hal, which is present tense, Fele Mazi, which is past tense, and Fele Mustaqbil, which is future tense. So, in this video, we're going to talk about present tense first, which is Fele Hal. So, let's get started. So, in our English, the formula of writing present tense is very simple. Just write it down first, subject, verb, plus object. But in Urdu, it is a little bit different. It will become subject, object, then verb. And the possessive pronoun used with the subject will be with the object will come with the object. So it is a bit difficult to understand. So I'm going to demonstrate you with an example. So there's a sentence like I brush my teeth. In this sentence, the I is the subject. Brush is the verb. My is the possessive pronoun that is used with the object, which is teeth. So in Urdu, we're gonna put down the subject first, which is I. So the meaning of I is मैं. And next, according to formula, we're gonna write down the possessive pronoun plus the object. So possessive pronoun is my. So my in Urdu is अपने. Teeth, दांत. So it is मैं अपने दांत. So now it is a very bit tricky part, which is the verb in Urdu. So in English, the verb tells in this what some person doing a work in this sentence. What the work is doing, the verb tells this thing. But it does not tell the gender of the person, if the gender is male or female. But in Urdu, the verb also tells the gender. It also specifies which person is doing. If the person is female or if the person is male. So if a girl is brushes teeth, so he's gonna say मैं अपने दांत साफ करती हूँ. That हूँ word is used in Urdu as a verb. करती हूँ is total word used as a verb. And if a boy is brushing his teeth, so he's gonna say मैं अपने दांत साफ करता हूँ. So by this sentence करती हूँ and करता हूँ, you can guess that the person is male or female. So now we're gonna see a different type of example to make it more understandable. मैं खाना खाता हूँ. In this sentence, the word मैं is the subject and the object is खाना, which is meal. खाता हूँ is the verb and the word खाता describes that the person who is talking is male. In English it will become, first we're gonna put it I eat meal. So you're gonna see that there is no possessive pronoun in this sentence, and in Urdu there is also no possessive pronoun. So it is very easy. Now we're gonna see a difficult example of plural words, which is हम चाय पीते हैं. हम चाय पीते हैं. So in this sentence, the hum is the subject, chai, which is the tea, is the object, and then the verb पीते हैं. The word हैं is used because more person, they are various persons, is drinking tea. So the word पीते हैं describes that the group of person which includes female and male person both. When you know the group of person is only female, you can use पीती हैं. But the word पीती हैं will become like हैं with a gunna, noon gunna. And if you know the group of person who is taking tea is male, you can use the word पीते हैं. So it will gonna be easy. But if you don't know how many person is, if a mix up is the group, like girls and boys are mixed up, so you can use the sentence पीते हैं. So now I'm gonna tell you an English sentence and we're gonna make it's Urdu. I get up early in the morning and go to school. In this sentence there are two verbs, which is get up and go to, and to object, which is morning and school. So first we're gonna translate the first sentence, which is मैं. Get up is the verb, so it will gonna be in the last of first sentence. Early in the morning is the object, so we're gonna say सुबह सवेरे. Morning is सुबह and early is सवेरे. Get up, early means जल्दी, and the morning सुबह सवेरे. Get up, उठता हूँ, or if you're a girl you will say उठती हूँ. And the next sentence we're gonna put first of all the word of meaning of and, then go to school. Go to school will be same. In this sentence we have only one subject, so after and we're gonna only put the object and the verb. So object is school. So then you say or school, go to जाता हूँ. If you are a boy you will say जाता हूँ, and if you are a girl you will say जाती हूँ. The total sentence will become मैं सुबह सवेरे जल्द उठता हूँ और स्कूल जाता हूँ. और in a feminine person will say मैं सुबह सवेरे जल्द उठती हूँ और स्कूल जाती हूँ. So this is the way of saying a plural sentence and present tense. We're gonna only discuss present tense in a simple form in this video. So guys, that was your lesson number 90, sentence in Urdu. And the first one we do is present tense. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe my channel to get more videos, and also share my video. Please share my video so it can get popular and more people know about Urdu. And if you have any question about the Urdu or about these videos or any doubt in your mind, you can clear it in the comment box. I will reply you. So until the next time, Khuda Hafiz.